Can you merge an SSD with a hard disk drive? Let's test it. First, I'll open Task Manager and head over to the Performance tab. Here you can see I have Disk 0 and Disk 1. My C drive is on Disk 0, which is an SSD, and the other drives on Disk 1 are from a hard disk drive. Now I'll go to this PC, right-click, and select Manage. A new window will open. From the left-hand side, I'll choose Disk Management. Here, I'll try to merge the SSD with the HDD. But to do that, we first need some unallocated space. So I'll shrink space from Drive F. Just right-click on Drive F and select Shrink Volume. For this demo, I'll shrink 5 gigabytes, so I'll type 5,000 megabytes, and since it works in megabytes. Click Shrink and you'll see the unallocated space appear. Now let's try to extend the C drive using this space. I'll right-click on C drive, but as you can see, the Extend Volume option is grayed out. We can't extend it. However, if I right-click on Drive F or Drive G, the Extend Volume option is available. So what does this mean? It clearly shows that you cannot directly merge an SSD with a hard disk drive. So why can't we merge an SSD with a hard disk drive? It's because Disk 0 and Disk 1 are two completely separate physical drives. Windows Disk Management only allows you to merge or extend partitions that are on the same physical disk and are adjacent to each other. Since the SSD and HDD are different hardware devices, Windows doesn't support combining them directly. That's why you can't extend your C drive on the SSD using unallocated space from the hard disk drive. And that wraps it up. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tech tutorials. Got a question or a topic you want me to cover next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.